Canon recently launched its newest lineup of ink-efficient PIXMA G series printers. This one in particular, the G2730, is one of the more affordable additions to the lineup and gives you the convenience of being able to print, copy, and scan with just one machine. But apart from the basics, there's a lot more to this device that makes it ideal not just for home use, but also for SMEs. Hi guys, Eman here of GadgetPilipinas.net, and today we're going to talk about why the Canon PIXMA G2730 is the ideal all-around printer for your small or medium business. Whether you're on a PC, Mac, or on a Windows system, you'll be able to experience all the features of the Canon PIXMA G2730 with no restrictions. Setting it up is pretty easy too, with visual guides available from the get-go. In fact, for a MacBook, just connect the printer via the supplied cable and print away. No extra software installation needed. You can easily replace the maintenance cartridge and print head on this printer in easy-to-follow steps, all without the need for a technician. The parts are readily available at major retailers, which allows for minimal downtime for your business. We have a short video on this, which you may want to check out. Link is in the description. As for the tools, all you need is basically a coin that's thin enough to fit into the screw for removing the rear cover. Depending on what you're printing, the Canon PIXMA G2730 can print fast, delivering a good amount of printouts from one set of inks. To be specific, that's up to 8,100 colored pages and up to 7,600 pages of black and white text if you're using the regular ink bottle on economy mode. Those who don't require heavy printing may also opt to use the small ink bottles. Whether it's your typical bond paper for school or office work, or a linen paper for that special message for your special someone, the Canon PIXMA G2730 will print on it, provided that the paper's thickness does not exceed 265 grams per square inch. Canon warranty involves a commitment to repair the printer free of charge in case something goes wrong, provided that it's still under warranty. You haven't exceeded 25,000 pages printed, and the damage isn't caused by factors such as mishandling, accidental drops, spills, repairs or alterations done by non-authorized personnel, the use of parts or accessories, including inks that are not made by Canon. We also have a short video on this. You'll find all the details in the link in the description. With all these, the Canon PIXMA G2730 is sure to be a good fit for your business printing, scanning, and copying needs. It's priced at 8,795 pesos and comes with a 2-year unlimited printing warranty. Get it from Canon authorized stores, Lazada, and Shopee. Once again, this is Eman from Gadget Pilipinas. Thank you for watching.